Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this has a 1.2 litre PureTech engine with 110 horsepower. You get Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. You've got a 7-inch touchscreen. Now here you have DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You get cruise control, dual zone air conditioning, rear parking sensors, and the car's done under 4,000 miles. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.